Let's walk through AutoDS shipping settings so your customers know exactly what to expect and you avoid delivery headaches. Once you're inside the AutoDS dashboard, go to Settings and click on Shipping. Here you'll manage how shipping times and prices appear on your site. First, choose your shipping regions. You can set up default shippings for places like the US, UK, or worldwide. Then, set the estimated delivery time based on your supplier. For AliExpress, it's usually 8 to 15 days, but faster if you're using a US warehouse. You can also set custom shipping prices or offer free shipping. If you go free, just make sure your product pricing covers the cost. AutoDS also lets you add buffer days. So if a supplier's average is 10 days, you can show 12 days to stay safe. In 2025, AutoDS improved this with dynamic delivery updates, meaning your store adjusts times quickly and automatically based on supplier changes. Set it once and your shipping is handled like this. If it helped, subscribe for more tips and check the next video where I'll show you how to sync real-time tracking with AutoDS.